I know that sometimes watching YouTube videos could be very frustrating because of ads. For example, this video, you have to watch 2 ads before you could watch the video or continue to watch the videos. And sometimes you may need to, depending on the length of that video, you will continue to watch ads upon ads. But let me show you how you can skip through this, how you can watch YouTube videos free without any ads. You will copy the URL from the address bar, then go to your Google Doc, paste the URL, and after that you open the preview. So this is how you can watch your YouTube video free without any ads.
I was working at a financial firm in New York City with a bunch of very smart people, and I had a brilliant boss I much admired.